Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Rock with you.
Come.
It has to be the best band in Jamaica. The Department of Correctional Services Band. Ladies and gentlemen, you can hear more from them.
One Alex.
One Alex on it, right? And do we say clap it? Okay. We will hear more from our favorite band. At this time, I'm going to ask ACP Kirkwood Expertise. While he's getting ready to come, I just want us to be still for a moment because this is the most exciting part of this award ceremony. And I'm going to go quickly through the different categories. Social Responsibility 2025-2026. Recognizing the employees within the units, divisions, whose commitment to service extends beyond the workplace through active community involvement and meaningful contributions that improve the quality of life of others. Their dedication, compassion, and positive impact exemplify the spirit of social responsibility and community engagement. Please join us in congratulating the following employees on this well-deserved recognition as Employee of the Year when it comes to social responsibility. And at this moment, we have winners. As Dr. Brown indicated, we're all winners. Whether it is that you're going to get an award or not, we're all winners. Let's see the hands of those who are impacting your community. You're making a positive impact in your community. And we just want to say thank you. So first runner-up. Well, winner, that is, from the administration unit, a young man that I can truly say is making an impact. Give it up for our first place winner. But just before he comes, I want to see our very own ACP, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Kurt Ricketts, on the stage, please, who will be handing out these awards for us. Please make him feel welcome. Okay, I had some people in a dressing these days, you know. We ain't seen no other people again. I didn't say that. It wasn't me, it was AI. So, our first place winner from the administration unit goes to no other than Legal Code. Award 2025-2026 from the administration unit. And we're moving on to immigration services. Our runner-up, second place, goes to Jermaine Ennis. Please, everybody welcome. Jermaine, please do not stop him. Move with great stride. Put some pep in your hand. Yes. know the West is the best, please. Go collect for Angelica Stewart. Yes. I wonder what in those envelopes. Right. And then we're moving to the ICT services. And the runner-up is Roshane Nolan. Come on, Roshane Nolan. We have handsome young men at Pika, you know. Yes. Yes. I don't know Dr. Brown, but they say beside every successful man is a successful woman. We ain't hearing anymore. Because the winner is Nikisha Wellington for our social responsibility. Yes, our women are leading. Wow, come on, Nikisha. We're not from Kingston. Second class. Give it up one more time for Nikisha. And we're moving to the favorite section now. I'm going to be biased. Thank God I have the man. The best division, the investigation, intelligence, and surveillance division. Our runner-up. You know, unfortunately, none of my staff are here because we're busy. We're busy in the field. Let's take it up. Give it up for IISD. Yes, so our runner-up, Stacey Ann Johnson. Come on, give it up in our team. Yes. Yes, and some will say Stacey, we have to go to church tomorrow. Let's give it up one more time.
This way, thank you. All right, thank you.
Stacey, don't move. You're going to be collecting for our winner, Sharon Mattis. Yes, and that's it. We're moving now to passport services. And the runner-up, Marie Mitchell Morgan. Give it up for Marie Mitchell Morgan. I'm not seeing the passport director, you know. Where is he? Where's Miguel Cordwell? Come on, keep coming. Yes, and the winner is Ramona Runway. Ramona Runway. And we're going to be asking our manager, Michelle, to come and collect on her behalf. We have all sorts of services. Go, Michelle. Yes.
Forward this way.
Dr. Brown.
Thank you.
Excellence. Just excellence here at Pico. Yeah, everyone is a winner. And this young man is one of my favorites. Anywhere the money is, you know, you have to have favorite. And so from the finance and accounts, Camille Favorite. Camille is so knocker. Photographer, take a picture, please. Yes, Camille. From finance and accounts. Yes, Camille. The winner. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand. ACT rating. We're now moving to the Pico Ambassador 2025-2026. This award honors the individuals within the unit division who consistently exemplifies the agency's mission, vision, and core values through their positive attitude, strong relationships, and unwavering commitment to supporting others. These individuals have fostered trust. Dr. Brown spoke about trust, strengthened collaboration, and enhanced the agency's reputation, both internally and externally. Please join us in congratulating these recipients. At this time, I'm going to ask Mr. Kurt Benjamin. I just saw Mr. Benjamin, but he has stepped out for a bit, so we're going to switch to another person, but Kurt will come back here. So I'm going to ask Miss Tanya Beckford to come forward. So we're going to switch Miss Beckford. So please put your hands together in welcoming. Miss Tanya stepped out as well. Everyone stepping out. So let's see how we're moving. She's coming. Yes, beautiful lady from the VIP attraction, the CEO, Miss Tanya Beckford. Please make her feel welcome as she graced our stage. No, it's because it's not a big award. The administration unit didn't have a runner-up. They just had a winner. And this person is Diane Mattis Lara. Yes, all the administration unit. Diane Lara. Please put something in your step. Yes, this is your moment to shine.
Face forward, thank you.
You can see the excitement. Yes.
Thank
This moment will never come back. But you'll have pictures, memories. And we're moving straight to immigration services. And our runner-up, second place, Carlene Beckford Brown. Is Carlene there? We are going to ask Nafisa to collect for Carlene Beckford Brown. Oh, not Nafisa, she represents you. Keep clapping until she gets to the stage. One more time for Carlene Beckford Brown, Immigration Services Pickup Ambassador Award 2025-2026. And we have a winner out of the West, Fiona Young. From Fiona, from the West. The West is the best. What a lovely lady. Clap her one more time. And we're moving to the customer service, but it's no longer customer service. What is it called? Sense. Right, sense, yeah. So customer sense, our runner-up is Shauna Bryan. Is Shauna Bryan here? Wow, Shauna Bryan. Give it up for her. Congratulations, Shauna Bryan. And the winner is Kareen Thompson. Clap one more time for Kareen Thompson. Kareen also sing one. Hey, Kingston. Come on, clap Kareen Thompson for me, please. And now we're moving to ICT. And it seems we have a runner-up, second place, Jessica Johnson. Please, put your hands together and welcoming Jessica Johnson. Is Jessica here? Jessica not here. We're going to ask Jason to collect for Jessica. Come on, clap Jessica. Jessica. And some young men here at Pico. And we're going to ask Jason to just stay still, because he's the winner of the Pico Ambassador 2025-2026. Jason
Yes, Christoph.
Smile for them, Christoph.
Face forward.
You are the winner.
Great. Thank you.
And we're moving to passport services. Alex Palmer. Alex Palmer, well done. Wow. That Alex getting married today. Yes, Alex. That's your baby. Oh, that's your baby. Okay, Alex. And the winner, my baby, David Gray.
You got to serve the.
Well deserved, you know, this
Right.
And from the Project Enterprise and Risk Management Unit, we have a winner. Latoya Brand. Miss Emma Rockland. Miss Beautiful. Latoya Brand. Ambassador 2025-2026. Yes, Perry, you had to do it. Yes, I know. Congratulations,
Face forward.
Latoya.
Thank you.
And from public procurement, a lady, Natalie Fraser Edison. Please, clap for Natalie. Yes, Perry, you have to do it.
Excellent.
From finance and accounts, I'm going to ask Patrice Solomon to call in for Nevada Denton. Please, put your hands together for Nevada Denton. And from our Human Resource Department unit, we have runner-up Shawnee Cruz. Her supervisor, Vanessa, will collect for Shawnee. Please, put your hands together. Vanessa will collect for Shawnee. Beautiful Vanessa. Yes. And we have a winner, Jodine Anderson. Well deserving, Jodine. Please keep the back going for Jodine. Thank you, Perry, for that. Jodine, congratulations. And the last unit, the BDCU, we have a winner, Miss Crosby. Miss Crosby.
Yes, Shai.
Yes. That's my daughter.
Excellent.
Thank you very much, Miss Tanya Bedford. Please put your hands together again. We're moving on now to our Innovation Award. You know, God always knows what He's doing, and He's God. Because this person that is going to give the award, their agency have been doing a lot of innovation. So we're going to invite Mr. Kerr Benjamin to come forward, and I'm going to be reading what the Innovation Award criteria or category stands for. This award celebrates individuals within the units divisions whose creativity and initiative have led to practical, sustainable improvements in operations and service delivery. Through innovation thinking and commitment to continuous improvement, they have introduced solutions that have delivered measurable benefits to their unit and the agency. And today we have many winners. So we're going to start with the administration unit. We have a runner-up, Casonia Howell, from administration unit. Is Casonia here? We're going to ask her director, Christopher Miller, to comment on her behalf. Please have Christopher come in to comment for We're going to come in, you know. All right, and we do have a winner. Boy, Little Car. Yes, Ethan. The light is here, you're here. Please invest. Take your bank book. What is your bank book? I'm seeing envelope. Invest, you know. Don't go squander. Invest. I don't know what's in there, but that's your bank book. From the custom sets, we have a winner. Raynor Johnson Expert. Is Raynor here? No? We're gonna ask Perry to collect for her. Yes. Aren't you Perry? Yes. You're in sets now. Come on, clapping. And from IISE, we have a runner-up. I've not seen the person. I think they're still in the field doing transportation or foreign national. So I'm going to ask Christoph to collect for the runner-up, Lemar Myers. Come on, come Lemar. That's Christoph coming. And we have a winner. The winner is Marvin Malish. Innovation and Sense. We have seen it. Pick an inside. Marvin. Come on, man. Clap Marvin.
Please walk. Yeah.
Go Marvin.
Thank you.
From public procurement, we have. I'm running too fast. From Project Enterprise and Risk Management Unit, a lady that went to Monte Verde High School, Ashley O'Neill. Ashley O'Neill. She's from the West Suba. They transition and they come to Kingston and forget the West. Ashley O'Neill, give it up one more time for Ashley. Thank you. And from Public Procurement Unit, Natalie Hennessy. Lady in red.
Thank you.
From Finance and Accounts, we have Adrian Davis. Yes, Adrian. Finance coming up with something on the HR. Yes. Adrian look like he come from the West. From Internal Audit, I'm going to ask our very own Chief Auditor, Gail, to collect for Kayana Davis. Please, clap, clap, clap. I wonder if she's in the field. Ladies
Thank
and
you.
gentlemen, thank you very much, Mr. Kirk Benjamin. I don't want DCS to go too far, you know, because I love music. I want to greet in the Sabbath with music in my bones. Well, we're going to do another award here, and I like this. And trust me, Dr. Brown, when I say I like where we're going with the R&R program, our auxiliary support award. Oftentimes, our auxiliary support staff are not recognized. And so we have an award for 2025-2026, and we're going to ask the gentleman who knows how to dress and always stands out. Don't follow the crowd. Randall Valentine, please grace us. Man in blue. This award honors an employee who constantly demonstrates professionalism, reliability, and a commitment to excellence. Through their positive attitude, dependable service, initiative, and strong work ethic, these individuals play an essential role in supporting the agency's operations and success. We have two persons. And I'm going to ask you to do something for me this afternoon. I'm going to break whatever protocol they gave me here. And you have your mind. Because these years, they are going to do something, right? So we have two persons from the administration unit. And I want everyone to stand and recognize these persons. Carleen Richards.
Hold on.
Yes. I'm in charge of band. Right, Mr. Hyde? Right. Give me something, wait, we can solve it to look on the best band in Jamaica. No matter what JC is going to say. Last week Friday, you guys have a showdown. Who won? BCS Upmost. When I go JCF Upmost. I know what BCS. So come. You ready? We're going to be dancing, you know. Dr. Brown tried to sit down. These are winners. Ready? Clap, clap, clap. Yes, this is my tune. Yes, I can sing with them. Yes.
Tricky. No, it's not no one. Rock no one. Father and dream of them all. Ready, set. My dream.
And I'm going to ask our very own CEO, Garth Williams, to grace us on stage. All of us are winners. CEO cannot afford to get all these awards, all of us. And so, he will be presenting the CEO Awards. I'm not sure if he has something to say. Where's it? No, that's not it.
I mean, have the mic now. It was very difficult because when you have 600 staff who rise to the occasion every time, to select two, it is very difficult. The CEO Award, we have two nominees. And this award is for their consistent, selfless demonstration of transformational leadership in love, care, compassion, courage, and commitment to excellence in service to country in times of calm and crisis. And so the first is a gentleman who has been with the agency over 20 odd years, who has created a unit of one. Then it became two, then it became three. And that gentleman, in spite of his not liking the limelight, he has groomed, mentored, coached a small team, less than 10. And so that Saturday when he said, Mr. Williams, I need you to come to the office. I said, I'm getting ready to, sir, I need you to come to the office now. I said, okay, sir. We didn't leave there until midnight, and we continued into the Sunday. This was the 6th of September 2025. For an organization serving 2.9 million arriving passengers and similar departing 200,000 passports, 7,000 citizenship, and with systems that make the rest of the world seem like everything is okay, when God knows what we're doing in the back. Mr. Jason Austin, to please come and collect the award for your boss. He's not here today. Mr. Keith Montague!
Perfect.
My next award, there's a clear connection between this one and the other one. We were counting down the hours to Hurricane Melissa hitting Jamaica. We had to do what is called a graceful shutdown of our system before so that we can come back up the first day after the hurricane. There's no ICT person in the West. And when everybody is told leave the airport, she had a team in the airport before. And when it was time to gracefully shut down that system in that side, there's no ICT person down there. She was already at home in Trelawney. And we called her out. And the thing is, 4 hours away from hitting. And she left her house. And she drove to the airport. And they called her on the phone from Kingston and tell her what to do. And she shut down the system and drive back home when the wind started. That is the government around here. We're moving with great alacrity. The West is the best. 17 minutes to go.
Please remember you are in the East.
And Denise
What's the word? Next. The next best.
is the next best. Okay. Employee of the Year Award 2025-2026. And we're going to have CPD Delroy Simpson to grace us. Please make him feel welcome. A man of few words. Well, an action man. This award honors the individuals within the specific units, divisions, who consistently exemplifies the agency's core values through outstanding teamwork, dependability, leadership, initiative, and professionalism. Through their dedication, positive attitude, and commitment to excellence, these employees have inspired colleagues, supported organizational goals, and made a lasting impact on the agency. We have many winners. Look at yourself. You did it. Say, I did it.
I did it.
Clock it. From the administration unit, Tasonia Powell. Not here. Christopher Miller, please collect for Tasonia Powell. And the winner. Wonder who it is? Samina, put some step in your step. You don't want, Yes, yes, give it up one more time for Tasonia Powell. And the winner, Employee of the Year, Legion Park. Yes, Legion. You did it big this time. No envelope this time?
Come on.
Yes. From Immigration Services, Keona Freighter, our runner-up. Is Keona here? Yes. And the winner. Wonder who is the winner? Come on, clap this pretty lady, come in. Keona Freighter. Oh, just follow me, Keona. And we're mothers, you know. Yes. Smile, please.
Thank you.
And the winner is Kevin Parchment. Kevin Parchment. Is Kevin there? We're going to ask Sarah to collect for Kevin. Yes, Sarah, I'm not seeing Kevin. We know the mommy posse came out. And every event Sarah is at. So come Sarah, collect for Kevin Parchment, please. Give it up one more time.
Yeah, watch your step. Thank you.
Yes, yes.
That was should I catch? That was should I catch?
Was it a photo shoot tonight? Okay, from Saint, runner-up, Sandy Miller. Very Sandy. Wonder who is the winner? Oh, for Miss Sandy, Miss Sandy. Go Sandy. And the winner is Shanika Hyde. Where is Shanika?
more, one more.
Start with the winner, I know, I want the winner, feel the way. I'm not going to waste stone me. And the winner is Jamaica! Drum roll for this, you know. So get ready with the drum roll. Employee of the year, IISD, runner-up, Marvin British. Give it up for my Marvin. Up in the top. Yes, Marvin. Employee of the year, 2025-2026, Marvin British. But please stand for this person. Jerome Greaves. Jerome Greaves, Employee of the Year 2025-2026. Our very own Jerome Greaves. 100% vote from the Union. Well deserving of this award. Yes. Thank you, Jerome. May be seated. Passport services. Sorry, hold on, this son of Baggy took us better than people are going to get vexed, but you know, Jody and Daly, runner-up for passport services. Give it up for Jodian, yes, Princess, Estonian, Dominic, Queen, Ethiopian Queen, African Queen, every Queen, Jamaican Queen. I have to come back to the East and I don't know. Ain't nobody for the money. And the winner, Hortense Campbell.
Careful, darling.
Go, Miss Campbell. Yes, Miss Campbell.
Face forward. Face forward. Thank you.
And from Purview, I already know it's Project Enterprise Management Unit. Purview, we only have one winner, Sijin Jones Stewart. Sijin, Employee of the Year Award, Sijin. Yes, Perry, I had to do that. Go, Sijin.
Sorry, Perry. Face forward.
Yes,
Right.
nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
No, I don't understand what is going on here, sir. Some people are going with everything. Public procurement. The winner is Natalie Legacy. My Legacy is here. This is Natalie here. This man. 2026 not coming back. This is here.
Right. Excellent.
What's in your bank? What is your bank book? Hold it good, hold it good. From Finance and Accounts, the runner-up, Camille Wright. Camille. Where's Camille? Camille, come on, man. Yeah, basically, you know, from Finance and Accounts, hi, hurry up. Well done, Camille. And the winner, Shanika Ward. Employee of the Year. Where's Shanika? Where's Shanika? Till you get up here. Come on, Shanika. You are the Employee of the Year. Congratulations. Finance and Accounts. Go, Shanika. Human Resource Unit, Sophronia Campbell, and we're gonna ask Anita Frazier, of course. Come, Sophronia, yes. Give it up for Sophronia Campbell. Yes, Perry, I had to do that. Congratulations, Sophronia. And the winner from the west. I've seen her on the
That's it.
She's here. Abigail! Abigail! Terrell! Congratulations, lady from the west.
Perfect. Thank you.
Well deserving of this award. From the Citizenship Services Unit, the team that could.
That they do.
Right. And anywhere the team is, the director is there. And so, the runner-up, Nayoka Minos. You want me giving a speech?
Face forward. Right.
Winner. And the winner. Well, I'm going to get them near from the Diana. Diana. Congratulations, Miss Vincent.
Face forward. Yeah, that worked too. All right, great.
Congratulations. Internal audit, we're going to ask our chief internal auditor to collect on behalf of Kayana Davis, who is in the field, apparently. Give it up for our CTD Simpson. Thank you very much, sir. I am going to allow my boss to do this one. 1 minute again. This is a special one. And I think it's only right that he does this one. And he's going to say what. Okay, boy, the boss is something different. I'm going to drop more money for offering tomorrow church. All right, the Retirement Award. Tonight, we celebrate a distinguished public servant whose career has been marked by dedication. Silence the noise in the background, please. Dedication, professionalism, and an unwavering commitment to protecting Jamaica's borders. Since joining the agency as an immigration officer on May 21, 2001, never gone yet, she has rendered more than 25 years of exemplary service, earning the respect of colleagues and supervisors through her integrity, sound judgment, and steadfast commitment to duty. Her outstanding performance at Jamaica's ports of entry garnered several commendations for operational excellence, reflecting the diligence and professionalism that characterize her career. Beyond her professional achievements, she is known for her warm spirit, strong faith, love of baking, and passion for reading, qualities that have made her a valued colleague and friend. Yes, ma'am, food. As she embarks on a well-deserved retirement, she leaves a legacy of dedicated service and lasting impact on the agency and the nation. On behalf of the management and staff of the Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency, we extend our sincere gratitude and best wishes for a retirement filled with good health, happiness, and abundant blessing. Everyone, please stand as we have the Immigration Services from Immigration SIA escort our retiree, Miss Charmaine Cousins. Mrs. Alright, this is Charmaine Cousins' son. No, some music, he says. Some music, no. Not some drum, not something, music. Just something. Not every day somebody retire. Come on. Take time to sway the walking too fast. We're going to move it on the soul. Come on, What did he say? Is it rest time?
Yeah, man. Thank you.
So please put your hands one more time for Mrs. Charlie. We have a very important presentation, and this will be read, so just listen to the voice. While she's reading, I'm going to invite Brigadier Williams to grace our stage. Go ahead for me, please. Ashley.
As the nation braced for the arrival of Hurricane Melissa, households across Jamaica prepared in familiar ways, stocking
Sit that
emergency
there,
supplies,
sit that there,
securing homes, and gathering with loved ones to ride out the storm. For many, safety meant sheltering indoors, waiting anxiously for the all clear. Yet, not everyone had the privilege of weathering the storm from home. At the nation's airport, a team of immigration officers remained steadfast at their posts, ensuring that Jamaica's borders were secure, even as the hurricane unleashed its fury. Pico proudly salutes the brave men and women whose dedication did not waver in the face of danger. Their resilience and commitment to duty embodied the very essence of service. At the Norman Manley International Airport, Supervisor Lincoln Houston, Immigration Officer Tamara Adams, and Roger Patterson exemplified courage and professionalism, holding firm to their responsibilities despite the storm's impact. At the Sandster International Airport, Supervisors Tracy Ann Patterson and Swain Essen, Immigration Officers Denise Porteous, Dacia Hudson, Sarah Oban, Lorraine Chambers, Kimon Gardner, and Ewan Bennett demonstrated the same unwavering spirit, ensuring that operations continued and Jamaica's borders remained protected. Please turn your attention to the screens as Speaker recognizes our border security champions who weathered the storm.
King, come on, banging on your chest. You can beat the world.
And check? Okay. At this time, we're going to ask the following persons to just line up for us, moving with grace and that we ought to follow, you know? So, Deputy Director Denisha Colomati, Tracy Ann Patterson, Supervisor, Swain Eston, Supervisor, Lynchburg Houston, Supervisor, please in that order. Tamara Adams, Immigration Officer, Roger Patterson, Immigration Officer, Denise Portius, Immigration Officer, Dacia Hudson, Immigration Officer, Sarah Oban, Immigration Officer, one at a time, please. The stage can only hold one. Come on. Kimon Gardner, did I see that? Orain Chambers. Forgive me for the
Face forward.
your designation, your title. There are some that are actually immigration supervisors as opposed to immigration officers. My pardon, please. We're going to ask, who can, Reverend Main, please, can you come in for Linville Houston? Thank you very much, Mr. Main. Please put some pep in your step. Very good. I know Gregory knows how to do it. Yes, Gregory. Yes, Gregory. Well done, Gregory. Great job, Gregory. Yes, Gregory. Well done, Gregory.
Right.
The West know how to do it. Okay, so we have Tamara Adams, yes. Roger. Then Denise. This thereafter. Then Sarah. In that same order. Well done. Well done. Remember, Sarah is not a photo shoot. You must collect. Please collect. Remember, you have to go back to the West. Yes, Sarah. Thank you. Come on.
I'm in the middle of the song.
Orain, start to come up a little closer. And you're working. So the West men know how to dress. Look at that jacket. Yeah, man. Well done. Thank you very much, Brigadier Williams. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please put your hands together and give them a big thank you. The next presentation is one that I'm going to crave your indulgence because I've asked DCS to do something. I'm going to invite my CEO on stage for this one. And I'm going to also invite mother of Joan Bennett, Jody Lance, to come forward, and his brother, Dwayne Graham. And DCS is going to do something for us in honor of our very own immigration officer, Joan Bennett, that is no longer with us. Go ahead for me, please, DCS, as we escort mom and brother to the stage.
I believe in faith. Never heard the sound of freedom rings only in your streets. There's a lady dressed in black, rotate a Cadillac. Her daddy's not coming back, but as her heart begins to fall and doors start reeling, see Rosalie, but Jesus sees on knees. We all believe when there is faith, there is a voice calling, keep walking, you're not alone in this world. When there is faith, there is a peace like a transcendent hope everlasting. Is He who is able to bear every burden, to heal every hurt in my heart. Is He wonderful, powerful place where there is faith, where there is faith, there is a voice calling, keep walking, one alone in this world, where there is faith.
They want me to reach home safe tomorrow. Well done. Well done, well done. We're now almost at the end. But our very own CEO needs to recognize some person. And these are the RR committee members. Dr. Brown indicated you might not get an award, nor an envelope, but you're a winner. And so at this very moment, we're going to be calling our committee members one by one to meet the CEO. He will give you something. And the chair of the RR committee, Rashawn Lewis, please go meet the CEO, collect that something. And don't move.
Don't be exact.
Just find a spot. Station hold all of you now.
One more.
Next to Sharon Ellis.
Let me just get one more picture, you guys.
Okay, Ellis,
Thank
come, sister. Only Bobby can tell me her pronunciation. What is her pronunciation? I kiss you. Charmaine Robinson Evans. Over it again. And these people and the people here. Hi. Come on, Jolene.
There you go.
Last but not least, come Jolene. Come Jolene. Come. Collect from CEO. I'm very honored to get this gift. For your hard work. That's the best gift you can get. Yes. Last but by no means least.
Is the one and only Molly Mama Henry. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. This really could not have happened without you. And you know, for doing this in such a way that involves everyone. I really do wish to thank you. Let's hope we can do it next year. Bigger and better I am too. Thank you. Give them a round of applause, please. Thank you.
Thank you very much for our own seal. I think we want a photo up here.
We did it. Knock some chumpies here.
Everybody face forward. All right. Thank you.
Let me do side around.
That's just it.
All right, we're right there now. Right there now. Yes.
And we're going to call on, what am I going to do the first name? Miss Ellis, you're going to come forward to do something. We need to recognize our players. The best band in Jamaica, DCS band. And we're inviting the members of the band to come forward. They can all go on the stage. Come. Clap them people, clap them. Else I'm not bringing them back. When I go to DCS, it's the best band. When I come Peter, it's the best band. We're not band here, you know. Just know them. Because we can sing, you know, yes. Wow, handsome men. These days are the best men. And oh no, Peter, all them. These days Peter, Jessica, all of them, what's up? I am a Peter, hello, baby self. Yes. Hello, wonderful guys. And the leader himself, director, man who put all of this together. I'm going to learn to play some drum too, you know. Right. Yes. Now, Miss Ellis, I have to say something. People clap them one more time.
So on behalf of the Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency, it is my pleasure to present this as a token of appreciation in recognition of your exceptional contributions to today's ceremony. You guys definitely played skillful, vibrant, and captivating. Your captivating performance, it definitely set the perfect tone for the celebration and added a special touch to the occasion. Thank you for sharing your remarkable talent, professionalism, and musical excellence with us. Please accept this little token as a small expression of our sincere gratitude. Thank you. Still not on. You can't hear me, right? So, okay. These tokens, they're for everyone. Again, thank you so much. You guys did amazing. You definitely kept us engaged with your beautiful voices. I must say, we continue to sing and continue to do what you do best.
What pleasure to the
Thank you very much. And we're not through with them yet. And of course, we're going to do a little photo up. Beautiful lady in the middle. Yes. I think I want to do something different as well because I want the CEO to frame this as well. CEO, going to stand with them at your function and they came to support your function. Yes. Big man right there. So what happened up there? Okay. Yes.
Faces forward. Faces forward.
I'm not seeing that that gentleman.
Right, there you go. Step forward a little bit.
No man shy. Look forward now.
Perfect.
Young man, look forward now.
I got you. You're good.
Thank you very much. One more time for DCS band. As promised, we're leaving here at 4 o'clock. And we have one final thing to do, our vote of thanks. And we have loyalty sister who is coming forward to do the vote of thanks. And she is the director of communication and business unit. Business development unit. Sabat Owens. Kawuna Mackenzie. She is a short speaker. But I must say to everyone, the refreshment to the back. If you don't see me after she's through, it was nice to have you here. Well done, you are a good audience. And peace be with you. The Lord be with you until we meet again. Clock in.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our protocol observed. As we bring the 25-26 Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency Reward and Recognition Ceremony to a close, I am filled with a profound sense of pride and gratitude. Today has been a celebration of what makes Peacock exceptional, or people. Under the theme Recognizing Excellence, Inspiring Greatness, we have honored individuals and teams whose commitment, professionalism, resilience, and service continue to strengthen our agency and the nation we proudly serve. We first extend heartfelt thanks to our CEO, Mr. Garth Williams, for his leadership and unwavering commitment to recognizing the achievements of our staff. We are grateful to Ms. Clover Roberts, DCO Corporate Services, for our overview of the Reward and Recognition Program, helping us appreciate the significance of today's celebration. Special thanks to Dr. Ruby Brown, our guest speaker, for delivering an inspiring and thought-provoking message that reminds us of the importance of excellence, professionalism, integrity, and continuous growth. We have been handed a bank book. We deposit and we withdraw. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to our parent ministry, the Ministry of National Security and Peace, for continued guidance, support, and for honoring us with presence today. Your partnership and unwavering commitment to PICA's mission continue to inspire us as we strive to deliver exceptional service to the people of Jamaica. To our valued partners and stakeholders, and there are many, thank you for taking the time to celebrate this special occasion with us. Your presence is a testament to the strong relationships we have built over the years, and we deeply appreciate your collaboration, confidence, and continued support. Together we are making a meaningful impact, and we look forward to strengthening those partnerships in the years ahead. We thank the Department of Correctional Services Band for their stirring musical contributions, and Mr. Delano McFarlane for adding to the celebratory spirit through his outstanding entertainment. Now, to our award recipients, congratulations on this well-deserved recognition. To every nominee, your selection is a testament to the value you bring to PICA each day. Special appreciation extended to the Reward and Recognition Committee and every committee member, the Human Resource Unit, the Business Development and Communication Unit, the Procurement Unit, the Finance and Accounts Unit, the ICT team, the Administrative Services, and everyone who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure that today's event was a success. And she has left my royalty sister, our Master of Ceremonies, Mrs. Molly Plummer Henry, for expertise. There could have been no other, guiding today's proceedings to a reward and recognition. We thank you, Molly, for your dedication to serving us and keeping us well entertained as well. Finally, thank you to every member of Team Peacock. The excellence we celebrated today is not confined to this single afternoon. It is reflected in the work we do every day to serve the people of Jamaica with professionalism, integrity, customer service, and accountability. As we depart, let us carry forward the spirit of today's celebration, recognizing excellence, inspiring greatness, and striving every day to provide exceptional people to the people of Jamaica land we love. On behalf of the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency, thank you for your presence, your commitment, and your continued service. Safe journey home, and God bless you.
Remember, we were here, we were the easiest part, right? We are mighty, protect me. Most of me in my train, your baby, you know the life unstable. But I, me want one friend, and me have to be here. Put up your life, so that I can be here. I'm only more things to be here. Just a quick thing that hurt me with. Not the prayer, me not get laid down. And if we get laid down, but when I try to get on the top, we don't get like bird of day. But I can get the money, take it down. I feel like it's one that I don't call. I can get the money, take it down, take it down, take it down, take it down. Thank you, ladies. In the fight your dreams, in the fight your dreams, put it on. Me go on a little, till the fight comes time. Me go on a little, me go on a little, me go on a little. Ready? When I'm trying to believe, yes, I do believe. And you must know like when I'm trying to dream. And if they don't really tell me the world of people, I want me to believe. I know people know. They can't buy up. Don't send me like a dream. Live up to people. Come here, man. These are your children. We're not trying to believe. We're trying to believe. We're not trying to believe. Not even with the old dreams. That's not even what they're doing.